Mac Repair, Apple Computer Repairs, 0115 920 7270, out of warranty repairs, 28 years experience of repairing Macs, Mac, iPhone and iPad upgrades, liquid damage guards recovery, and open. Hello, I am Michael Parkinson. My 21.5-inch screen iMac has been going extremely slow and repeatedly crashing. The computer is vitally important to me because I am an author and YouTuber. I have been hampered by problems and have repeatedly restarted the computer, which appeared to help for a couple of hours. Some people told me that as my computer is 8 years old, I should just get a new one. I contacted Mac Repair of Arnold, Nottinghamshire on Monday 29th November, and they asked a few questions. From my answers, they told me that they could investigate and very likely fix it, but they would need to do some tests first. I got an acceptable estimate and took the computer to them at midday on Tuesday 30th of November. At 10:30 a.m. on Friday the 3rd of December, they phoned to tell me that the computer was ready to collect. They had found 2 faults on the 1 TB hard drive and replaced it with a 2 terabyte SSD hard drive with no moving parts. They have retained all my data and many videos that I have acquired over the years, as well as 20 chapters and pictures for my next book. I have loaded this video to express my appreciation for what they have done. If you need help, I'm sure that Luke and Jonathan would be the guys to ask. They are Mac Repair, 19A High Street, Arnold, Nottingham, NG5 7DE. And there are the telephone numbers.